can take a conventionally mass-produced part and just add material exactly where we need to be able to customize and personalize the part. While we can use that to build a part up with our materials, it can also mean that you can deposit onto a part that's already been made. And so one of the things that I really like about this is that if you think about what elements of parts really need personalization, it might just be a top surface.
One of the overall beauties of the polyurethanes is it's inherently an adhesive. If anything, we have a problem with it not adhering to things. So you can take a metal part and 3D print on it, and it forms a bond between the elastomer and the metal that's very durable, will last essentially as long as the metal part will hold up.